Hello everyone, I am Sereno Pricey Mariti from BE Ed 1A, and this is my video presentation for Module 4 Activity on Texture, which is the laminated hammer or pounded flower bookmark with ribbon. Explore the concept of texture by creating a hammered flower bookmark using the local flowers here in the Philippines. The first thing we need to do is to provide the materials needed for this activity. So here are the materials needed for this activity. After providing the materials needed, let us now proceed to the procedures. The first thing I did was to cut off the paper. It is prescribed that the length is 7 inches and the width is 2.5 inches. After cutting the paper, I'm going to flatten the flower that I choose and press them gently between the two sheets of cover cellophane. Then proceed to the hammering process. I place the cover cellophane with the flower on a sturdy surface. Then using a hammer, I gently tap the flower until the texture that I want and the details are imprinted into the paper. Now this is the result. After that, I just repeat the same procedure on the other flowers and also to create the design that I want. After achieving the design that I want, I decided to put a Bible verse on the space I provided on the side so that it will look more appealing. Also, this Bible verse have a significant meaning to me. Then this is what it looks like after laminating the paper. Once the bookmark is laminated or the paper, now we're gonna do the adding of ribbon. The ribbon will serve as a decorative tassel to finish the bookmark. And here's the final output of my laminated hammer or pounded flower bookmark with ribbon. And that's it. Thank you for watching.